Terri Rutledge, and I had hip replacement surgery on November 2nd, Dr. Urasimides, and then came to physical therapy afterwards at KORT with Rob. I had friends who had told me that he was great, that he worked you hard, but that he got you well fast, and they wouldn't go to anybody else. Came late summer, August, September, before my surgery, and tried to get some more mobility before the surgery when I had to wait a while to get into the doctor, and at that time I was having pain in my hip, my right hip and my knee from the way I was walking. I think was a problem with the knee, and I did get more mobility in my knee. And then after the surgery, came here to KORT for like 5.5 weeks. After that, I was very weak. My hip, my pelvis had actually shifted down because the muscles had become so weak around in the hip area, and so my right leg was actually hanging lower than my left leg after the surgery. The physical therapy strengthened really pretty quickly my hip area, and so my pelvis shifted back up. And I also kind of had to relearn how to walk because I'd been walking off for so long. Worked on strength and walking normally, and I had a lot of back pain after the surgery too, and that I think was also from my walk being off. And so Rob also did some things with my back and corrected the pain. Never been to physical therapy for anything, and I was scared, assuming that it'd be painful. And I was thrilled that I didn't go through a lot of pain here. It was physically hard when the therapy that I went through here, but it was not real painful. Techniques were so much better, and I just got well faster. I wasn't an athlete or anything like that, so it wasn't that I could run again or do things like that, but it was really just the everyday living, getting in and out of a car. I like to walk in my neighborhood. I couldn't do that. The exciting thing was when my best friends got married this past Saturday night, and I got to wear heels to the wedding and dance. I danced for 3 hours, and so I was very excited about that. And actually about 4 weeks after my surgery, I went to an event with my husband and wore heels, and I hadn't done that in so long, so that was exciting to me.